Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to use Clearpay on Amazon. As of now, Clearpay is not a payment option available for Amazon purchases. While Clearpay's offerings have expanded to encompass various retailers, Amazon has not joined the list. If you want to make a purchase on Amazon but cannot use Clearpay, there are alternative payment methods available. The main choice is Amazon Pay. You can link your credit or debit card to your Amazon account and use it to buy things. Amazon Pay also offers the convenience of spreading out payments for individual purchases. Another alternative is to use other buy now, pay later services like Klarna or Zip. These services allow you to make purchases and pay for them in installments over a period of time. Klarna, for example, offers the option to spread out the cost of your purchase into manageable monthly installments. Zip, on the other hand, provides a no-interest payment plan of up to 6 months for larger purchases. To use Amazon Pay, follow these simple steps. Add your credit or debit card information to your Amazon account. When you're ready to make a purchase, choose Amazon Pay as your payment option during checkout. Before finishing the purchase, you will be prompted to log in with your Amazon Pay details and confirm your payment information. By following these instructions, you can easily and securely use Amazon Pay for your purchases. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.